So friends, if you have some name, some number, some description which is coming in, you're typing again and again, and you have to write it again and again. So there we can make a shortcut for this one. So just by putting a small description, a small number, you can write this full statement or full name. For example, it is written here, how to make shortcut for long description in Word. So we'll select it, we'll go to insert, there is a quick parts, click on quick parts, come to the last one, save selection to quick parts gallery, like this one. So here name, what you can do, how to make htm. Okay, fine. Now what I do, I go down here, I write htm, and we have to press F3. So you can see his full name is written over here as this one. So this is the way you make a small key, short key by yourself. Thank you for watching the video.